At shows like Chloe and Valentina this season, we saw a lot of relaxed summery beach hair. I'll show you how to do it. Starting with damp hair, I'm going to blow dry our hair into a lot of body. To do this, I'm going to use a volumizing spray on wet hair. Next, I'm going to get Shade to flip her head upside down so I can blow dry her hair with maximum volume. Now we'll get Shade to flip her head back and make sure the hair is completely dry. If you find you have very straight hair, you can use a diffuser to achieve more curl. Once the hair is completely dry, I'm going to use a large bale curling iron, take random sections, wrap them around the iron, and hold 3 to 5 seconds. I'm going to continue doing this all the way around Shade's head. So now that I'm finished curling, I'm going to use my fingers to create more texture and volume at the bottom of her hair. And this is how you create that sexy, voluminous beach hair.